Okay, just a few more routes left, so we're going to do the delete routes now. So let's go ahead and copy print routes and paste in a new copy under UI called delete routes. And then imports probably are going to be the same, so we'll leave those. And then I'm just going to get rid of the 2 routes in here, 3 routes in there. All right, so first one is deleting a video. Actually, that one's optional, so I'm going to do delete playlist. So delete playlist, we're going to do static method. Delete playlist. And render template. Delete playlist.html. And then we need a delete folder under templates. And then for my starter file for this one, I'm going to print playlist. Actually, this is going to be the form to select the playlist. So that's going to be show playlist contents is going to be my starter for this. So this one, I actually need to have the list of playlists set. So playlist. So I'm going to add playlists equals web UI get all playlists. All right. And then this one should have been delete playlist. All right. So delete playlist, this is using get, but I want to use post because once again, I don't want to inadvertently delete a playlist that's already there. So this is going to be do delete playlist as the action. And then I have one field for the playlist and then a delete button. And then let's go ahead and take a look at that route. So we're going to go home, delete a playlist. Okay, so I thought I had, I need to import the delete routes file in WebUI. So that's going to be in the run method from UI.delete routes import delete routes. Cannot import name delete routes from UI delete routes. Why? Because I forgot to call it delete routes. Okay, so let's back here, reload, delete a playlist, and then I can choose one to delete. So actually, I want to make a new test one. So I'm going to go back here. I'm going to create a new playlist called Test Me. And then test playlist. No period. And then we're going to create no picture. And then we're going to delete a playlist. select, test me, delete. And then let's go ahead and reload that and look at the payload just to make sure. So yeah, so there's a playlist parameter with the key for the playlist. All right, so that's the first part. Now we need a do delete playlist route. So and then I need a starter that has the code that gets the key for playlist, and I just did one of those for update. I have one of those right here, and remove video from playlist. I'm just going to grab all of this code. So that's the part that identifies a playlist. And then do delete playlist, paste this code. So let's look at what we have here. So playlist key, error, the playlist name, playlist, right. So if playlist key is none, returns an error. Otherwise, playlist is lookup playlist key lower. So if it is all videos, I don't want to delete the playlist. So cannot delete playlist. You cannot delete the playlist, the all videos playlist. That's good. And then if playlist is none, then that's an error. Playlist key was not found. Playlist with the name, playlist key was not found. Okay. So if we did get here, we have a playlist and we can delete it. And so look at console. Where's console? It's up here. So we're going to do delete playlist. Right, so this one right here. So it just calls these two things. So you remove it from the list of all playlists, and then you call the delete method on it. So that's what we're going to do here. And this is webui.getAllPlaylists.remove. And then this one is playlist.delete. And then we're going to return render template delete / confirm playlist deleted. Playlist deleted. And then I'm going to pass in here. I did delete the playlist, but I still have it. Hasn't gotten garbage collected yet, so I can pass it in here. And then I'm going to copy the one from create playlist. So create playlist and paste that into delete, and we're going to call that confirm playlist deleted, and then deleted playlist. Oh, this is a form. Yeah, that should have been a confirm. Well, let's go ahead and confirm playlist created. Copy that, and then we'll put that in here. So playlist get name deleted. Playlist get name deleted. Yeah. Okay. I mean, that's a little redundant, so let's just say playlist deleted here and playlist deleted here. All right. But then the rest of it should be fine, so let's go ahead and reload and we'll see what happens. So I'm just gonna reload. Method not allowed because it's post method, so I need to add methods equals get or post. Reload. Playlist deleted. Okay, so that playlist test me was successfully deleted. So, but I messed up my header a little bit. So let's fix that. Confirm playlist deleted. That should be playlist deleted. And same here. Okay, so that should be good. And now I already deleted test me, so if I reload this, it should fail. But not a server error, it should have given me a message. So none-time object has no attribute get name. Right, so if playlist.getName equal none, so first thing I need to do is make sure it exists. So if playlist key is none, it returns an error. But then I have to say if playlist is none, so this thing here is actually out of order. I need to do this before I check to see if the playlist is the all videos playlist. Okay, so let's try that again. Okay, playlist test me was not found. Playlist with the name test me was not found. Please choose another playlist and try again. So I'm going to make a new playlist called test me, and then I'm going to leave the rest of this stuff blank. And then I'm going to delete the playlist test me. And then I'm going to go back. So that worked. And then I'm going to go back and click the button again. Test me was not found. And then I'm going to try deleting all videos. Cannot delete playlist. Cannot delete the all videos playlist. So that all seems to be working fine. Let me go ahead and just stop this thing and restart it. And then I'm going to go to list of all playlists. There's no test me on here.